got a 20 knot crosswind right here.
Oh, this will be fun. Of course, down on the ground it might be less. Or it could be more. 22, it's getting worse. Wow, you could almost do a landing on, let's see, 2103.
Bryce Canyon traffic, Cessna 78 Echo is left downwind for 21. Bryce. This might be it.
PA? Okay, what's our wind now? 20 knots?
20 knots from the right.
Okay. I'm going to put this away. Just in case I might need the help. And let's see, what's our winds doing now? They're still at 20?
Still at 20.
Let's just go one notch. So keep your airspeed up 10 or
65 on the approach?
Yeah, 5 knots higher than what you'd normally do. And just keep the nose wheel off as long as we can, and we'll try to keep the left wing down and try to get that left main to touch first. Then the right main, then the nose wheel as we might need to.
Bryce Canyon traffic, Cessna 78 Echo, left base for 21. Bryce.
Hey, all trim.
Bryce Canyon traffic, Cessna 78 Echo, final 21. Bryce.
Okay, it's only 11 knots now. 12 knots.
Where'd I get that airspeed?
There's some power then. Oh, you've got 80 knots?
Yeah.
Okay, with that airspeed, you just plan on letting the airplane float over the runway and don't let it touch. Okay, now just, whoop, don't let it touch. Left wheel, lower the left, yeah, there you go. Perfect, good, good. Oh, keep it on straight. Okay, Good job. Let's get the flap up. I got it for you. That's our window. Oh, it's straight down the runway at 5. Good. Of course, you can't worry yourself with those kind of details when you're on a short final.
That's my first crosswind landing.
Well, yeah. According to that, it's right down the runway.
It didn't feel that way when I was...
Well, I saw your grab angle, and you were tracking straight in, so yeah, you did have one.
Bryce Canyon traffic. Cessna 78 Echo is clear 2-1. Bryce. Busy airport.
Yeah. I hope somebody's up here. RP closed.
Not terrified back there, are you, Dad? Oh, great. No problem.
Okay, you can start shutting down some of the non-essentials. Autopilot.
Well, I didn't realize those made that much noise. Did you hear that?
Yeah, just a little chee.
There is some wind here on the ground.
So that was, we touched down, what, about 7 minutes longer than what you expected?
Yep.
Bad.
Climb uphill here to the ramp.
Let's keep going on the other side of the barn. Right there.
Where?
It's the other side of the barn here. Oh, somebody's there, looks like. But
I gotta come around and face the other way, don't I? According to their...
Well, let's see. You've got... And you can park on... Yeah. I just pull in there and do it. We'll...
Bryce Unicom. Can we help you today?
Could you call Ruby's in for us for some transportation?
Roger that. I'll give him a call right now.
Hey, thank you very much. Evidently, he's in that building right there. Yeah, he saw us come in. He was hoping he could sell us some fuel.
I don't see any chains here, though.
No.
I gotta buy some tie down.
Bring your own. You wouldn't be able to use it anyway.
No, it's all frozen.
It is. REMMM? Radios, electrical, mixture, mags, and master.
that all week.